So students, this is the second half part of this chapter, chapter number 14, trial balance. And in the another half, we are going to study the errors and their types. Sometimes the total of trial balance is not tally. Means the total of debit side is 1,90,000 and total of credit side is 2 lakh rupees. That means you have made some mistake. If the total of both the side is not equal, so there is some mistake, and that mistake is known as error. Error is a mistake which we have committed while preparing a trial balance. Error is just a mistake which we have committed while preparing a trial balance, and due to which, if the trial balance is not telling each other, if the debit side is not equal to credit side, this is an error affecting the trial balance, and it is disclosed by the trial balance. If the total is not equal, then you will come to know automatically that we have committed some error. But sometimes it also happens that the total of both the sides is equal, but there are some mistakes. Still there are some mistakes. The total of both the side is equal, but still they are having some mistakes, and those mistakes are called errors not affecting trial balance. Errors not affecting trial balance, or it is not disclosed by trial balance. The trial balance is equal, the total of debit side and credit side is equal, but there is still some mistake, and that is called errors not affecting trial balance, or errors not disclosed by trial balance. So first we will talk about the errors affecting trial balance. Errors affecting trial balance, or errors disclosed by trial balance, where our total does not tally. Debit side is not equal to credit side. First mistake which we have done, suppose wrong casting. First mistake which we can usually make, that is wrong casting. If the total of cash book or some other subsidiary book is wrong, the trial balance will not tell. Total of cash book or some other subsidiary book is wrong. If we have done wrong total, then the trial balance will not tally. It will increase or decrease the another side. Second mistake which is affecting the trial balance, posting to wrong side. Posting to wrong side. If instead of posting an amount on the debit side of an account, it is posted on credit side. Instead of debit side, you posted in credit side, or vice versa. Posting of wrong side. Suppose you have put all the total of purchase, it should be on debit side, but you have written by mistake on credit side, so total will not tally. Third mistake, posting of wrong amount. Posting of wrong amount. Suppose in place of 4,000 you have written 40,000, 10 extra. Or suppose in place of 4,000 you have written 400, 10 less. The total will never tally. The trial balance will not tally if the posting in an account is made with incorrect amount. If you have written incorrect amount, suppose 400 instead of 4,000. You have to write 4,000, but you have written only 400. Then the total will not tally. Fourth mistake, बच्चे, omission of posting of one side of an entry. Omission means you forget something. Omission of posting of one side of an entry. You have forget to post on debit side, suppose, or credit side. For example, rupees 500 have been received from Ram, correctly entered in cash book, but if it is omitted to be posted on the credit side of Ram, the trial balance will not tell. If you have received from Ram, you have posted in cash but not recorded in Ram's account, the total will not tell. Fifth बच्चे, double posting in a single account. Double posting in a single account. By mistake, you have written two times an entry. You have posted two times a single entry. Double posting in a single account, the total will not tell. And the last mistake which we commit, that is errors of totaling and balancing of accounts in ledger. Errors of totaling in ledger. If we have made some errors in totaling, the trial balance will not tell you. So bache, these are some errors which we commit because we are a human being, so we can commit some errors while preparing accounts. This is a normal phenomena. So these mistakes which we are committing in preparing the trial balance is called error. There are two types of errors. Errors affecting the trial balance means the trial balance will not tally and you will automatically come to know that there is some mistake. But errors not affecting trial balance are also there, which tells you that the total is equal but there will some mistake. So we have done the errors affecting the trial balance. Wrong casting means total of cash book or some other subsidiary book is wrong, posting to wrong side. In place of debit you have written on credit side. Posting of wrong amount, you have written 400 instead of 4000. Omission of posting of one side of an entry, you have written received cash but you have not recorded in Ram's account. Double posting in a single account, you have recorded twice one entry. And errors of totaling in ledger, if there is some error in totaling in ledger, the trial balance will not tell. Now which is second type of errors are errors not affecting trial balance. Those errors not affecting trial balance means your trial balance will be equal but even then there are some mistakes. Trial balance is equal but there are some mistakes, we will discuss those mistakes now. Errors of omission. Errors of omission means you have forgot something. Now if a transaction remains altogether unrecorded either in the journal or in subsidiary books, one transaction not recorded at all, not recorded at all, you have not recorded one transaction at all. If you have not recorded on debit side, it must have not been recorded on credit side, so there will be total will be equal. If you have not recorded a transaction, one transaction, both aspects of one transaction you have not recorded. Suppose you have paid to Ram and you have not recorded in journal, not in ledger, so it will not be in trial balance. The trial balance will be equal, but there is some mistake of omission. You have omitted one entry. Then there are errors of commission. Errors of commission. Now, bache, if a wrong amount is entered either in journal or subsidiary book, if wrong amount entered in both sides. Suppose you have paid to Ram, entry should be Ram to cash. You have paid 400, you have written, but you have paid 4000, but you have written 400 in both the sides. So this is an error of commission, means the both, if you have written wrong amount in both the sides, this is error of commission. If you have not recorded both the sides, that is error of commission, but you have if you have recorded the wrong amount in both the sides, that is called error of commission. Then compensating errors. Compensating errors. Suppose by mistake you have done an error in debit side of rupees 400, and by chance you have done the same amount mistake in credit side. This is compensating error. If the effect of one error is neutralized by the effect of some other. One error neutralize the effect of other error. One error is neutralized by the effect of other error, that is called compensating errors. Then there are some errors of principles, means you have violated one of the principle of accounting. How? When some fundamental principles of accountancy is violated while recording a transaction, the error is termed as error of principle. Suppose you have made a capital expenditure. Suppose you have make the payment of wages on erection of a machine. You know, whenever we are buying an asset, we have to record all the expenses related to that asset in the name of asset. The wages will be recorded in the name of asset only. But if you have recorded in the name of revenue, the total will be equal, bache, but the name of account will be different. There is some mistake. In place of machine you have written wages, means a capital expenditure you have converted into revenue expenditure. This is an error of principle. Then last, bache, error of posting in a wrong account. Suppose in place of Ram you have written Sham. The total of debit will equal to credit, but there is a mistake in the column of name of the accounts. In place of Ram you have written Sham. There is some mistake in the name of column of names of the accounts, but the debit and credit columns are equal, so the total will be equal. These are the errors when they are there in the question, but the total of trial balance will be equal. Error of commission means one transaction not recorded at all. Error of omission means you have forgot something at all, not recorded in debit, not recorded in credit, so trial balance will be equal. Error of commission means wrong amount enter in both the sides. Then compensating error, when the effect of one error is neutralized by the effect of another. Error of principle means you have made an error in principles.